It's Monday the 11th and the snow's finished. They've promised us temperature falls of -10 tonight, and that's going to be the blue sky that's going to bring it. But what I wanted to show you is, whilst this snow's been happening, all the chemtrailing that's going on above our head, weather manipulation, people, that's what this is. Okay, this snow has been purposely brought. Okay, the day before it started, I made a video. Look at that plane trail. That is not a natural flight path. That is some random flight path which doesn't even go to Heathrow. And you can actually see it. That one is actually being laid right now. There's the end of it. There's the plane. Now, there are some people that seem to think that chemtrails are left not by planes but by phantom objects, and that's just totally ridiculous. They are chemtrails. Yeah, amazing that what happens when that black sky that's harboured all the snow for the past 2 days goes over, and you're left with that perfectly natural flight path. Bearing in mind Heathrow is all the way over there somewhere, and that isn't even low enough to be even attempting to get land at Heathrow. Yeah, and you can see the other one that goes that way, this way, this way. Obviously that's a join on from there. If we look over there, oh look, lo and behold, another one there. Look up. Oh yes, and another one there. But that is the most disgusting one. You can even actually see the shadows being cast onto the rest of the cloud, the probably slightly more natural cloud, from that chemtrail. Interesting. Look at it spreading out already. Yeah. But of course I am just a conspiracy theorist, and the fact that they made a film that was called Geostorm, all about controlling the weather. And in the beginning, or the trailer of that film, I've not actually seen the film, I really want to see it, to be honest. In the trailer of that film, another one going through there, it starts, in the future, the technology that controls the weather will control the world. But they're already controlling the weather, hence why they put the technology that controls the weather. They're not currently controlling it from space, they're controlling it from Earth via HAARP. H-A-A-R-P. HAARP. Look it up. Okay, these are groups of antenna that fire very strong, over a million watts of sort of mobile phone type energy up at the atmosphere, vibrating all of that aluminium, strontium, barium, the metallized sky. Oh look, there's another one, look at that. Hey, lovely, isn't it? Not only that, people, but this is our government chemically attacking us. Yeah, getting metals into our body. Agenda 21. And as I like to end every video, fuck you, Jacob.